guys, it's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and today we're not doing a new recipe video. We're gonna take you guys on a little behind the scenes lifestyle tour of some of the really awesome things that have been going on in the Hey Grill Hey universe lately, including why are we in this backyard? Where are our videos gonna be filmed in the future? And what was that about a warehouse? All those burning questions and more are going to be answered. Let's do it. So let's start with the new filming setup. If you guys have been following Hey Grill Hey for a while, you've probably actually seen us in 2 different setups that we filmed in. This is going to be our 3rd, but even then it's a temporary one. We were able to snag this house in a crazy market, put down the patio, put up the awning, and starting next week, all of our recipe videos are gonna be filmed here until our new studio kitchen is finished. We're building the dream Hey Grill Hey HQ studio kitchen, and I wanna give you guys a quick sneak peek. Let's go. Here we are in all of our in-process glory, but someday soon, this will be the home of all of our new Hey Grill Hey recipe videos, and not just our recipe videos, but we're gonna be refilming all of our master style classes that we have for the Grill Squad. Talking about the Grill Squad, we have 2 new guest instructors. We're adding their videos this year. It's a very exciting time. So if you haven't checked out the Grill Squad yet, it's our online barbecue school. Go check that out. But look at this studio space. We're gonna have a massive island right here with big pull-out drawers. Back here we have 4 mounted vents to ventilate out all the smoke. We're gonna have a Santa Maria style grill built in, and then behind Todd are these amazing sliding windows so that it's kind of an indoor-outdoor kitchen. We can control the light for filming, but we can open everything up so it's very much inside and outside, and we also have a garage for our smokers. One more super exciting thing before I show you guys the smoker garage is we're actually building this all out with the help of BarbecueGuys.com. I'm so excited to show you the process. They're taking us through their entire system of like designing and then build out. And so we have like a 4-part video series. We're gonna walk you guys through the complete build out of the kitchen. So that's gonna be coming soon also. Okay, now the smoker garage, because I'm real excited. So outdoor kitchen, covered patio, and then we have this breezeway that is also covered. And it has, see this little garage door? Inside the back end of this garage, we're gonna have all of our big wheelie smokers so we can pull out everything from our offsets to our big pellet grills. Anything that's not built in, we'll just be able to wheel out directly in front of the kitchen. A smoker garage. I'm gonna fit them all in here. So many. And we're not done yet. We also signed our first ever lease for an official Hey Grill Hey HQ. Beyond the studio, we have our own warehouse space for all of our rubs and sauces. And this time Todd gets to give you the tour. Recording.
I don't want to be on camera.
I'm sorry.
And here we are. This is the Hey Grill Hey warehouse. It's not put together yet. There's a microwave. Come to Hey Grill Hey and warm up your food. Come on back, let's check it out. We have a couple offices upstairs. And this is where if you should go buy some stuff right now. And then when your order gets in, what we'll do is we'll pull them off this shelf, put them in a box right here, and we'll tape it all up and mail it to you with love.
We made it upstairs to the offices. So I've actually worked from home on Hey Grill Hey and other websites for the past 12 years. I've never had a real office before. This is gonna be our conference room over here. This is gonna be my first real grown-up office. Look at, we're starting to decorate. I have snacks. I don't have any furniture or a desk, but I have snacks. And look at this guy. Our silver play button. So pretty soon, I'll have a real grown-up office. I hope you guys enjoyed our little behind the scenes look at what's going on at Hey Grill Hey lately. Of course, we're still posting recipes every single week, brand new ones, a video on YouTube every Thursday. We also have the Hey Grill Hey app with recipes being added weekly. If you don't have that yet, go download it. What are you waiting for? But most importantly, I wanted to tell you guys thank you. This is a really exciting and hard and stressful and exciting time for Todd and I and our business, and none of it would be possible without your support. So to every single one of you that has downloaded the app and paid for the premium membership or joined the Grill Squad or purchased any of our products or even just watched a video or went to the website to check out a recipe, you're all helping to support our small family business, and it means, I wasn't expecting emotions, but it means so much to us, and we're incredibly grateful. I hope you guys have an awesome day.